Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm at Singapore's forgotten old town, Balestier. I'm going to show you guys, there's a Tanjong Ru Bao here. Look at the pork bao, $2.20 onwards. Then there's a gym here. It's called Zhongtian Fitness. Wow, I think here it's very vibrant, the whole stretch, a lot of shops. And we explore slowly together. 606 Tao Sa Piang is the Teochew pastry. Basically, there's a sweetened version and the salted version. Next, we have 4-finger crispy chicken. And look at opposite, there are more shops. Old Apple Road, Lor Mee, porch lighting. Fortunately, it's raining now. Look at all the humongous fans. There's a lighting shop called Edison. Very interesting. I saw there's a boxing club called Spartans. Mega fishball noodles. 80 cents, I think it's worth it. And I like the bak chor mee kind of stuff. So kopitiam is part of the local culture in Singapore, man. Hey, there's a beautiful building in front. And look at opposite, there are lots of shops, man. One bowl fish head steamboat. I think wow, a lot of people there right now. Sim Xiang Chun, Sim Xiang Jun. Oh, there's a lots of stuff related to shower, bidet, and even a toilet seat there, man. I see NTUC Finance in a mall called Zhongshan Guangchang, Zhongshan Mall right here. I mean opposite. There's an Aura Wellness Spa. Looks quite atas. But unfortunately, there isn't any price stated, but it looks very posh. Oh, this shop called itself the Black Kingdom. It's from Japan. Pantang Kaya, $2.60. Alright, there's a big temple called Guan Yin Tang right here. Unfortunately, it's closed at 3 p.m. But I also see the four-faced Buddha at the corner. Oh, okay. I see a lot of signs here. I mean, the brands are Bosch, Rinnai. They sell some kind of lighting. I mean, those related to bathroom once again. The bidet, the basin, and more stuff. American standard some more, man. Wow. Look at this, man. For mommy, dog boarding and daycare. Fully licensed some more by the Animal and Veterinary Service. Please press one time only or I'll get too excited. Open from 7 to 7 p.m. Pet alert. Trust lighting. These are chandelier lights, right? But I wonder, like, will the staff get eye pain or the boss? I think it's better if they wear the sunglasses, protect their eyes. Inside is so huge and big. More shops like this. And the public mansion opposite, man. 大众大厦 432. I think it's some kind of subsidized housing, I'm not too sure. Wanted to show you guys something. There's a Rocher main house. The Tauhua Zui opposite from where I'm standing is rumored to be very nice. Look at the lights, it's insane, man. There's some pattern some more. すごいですね. Oh, there's a fragrance hotel. 飞龙酒店. I wonder how much it costs. But I know in Singapore it's like over $100 a night for the double room is common. Oh, they say it's $89. And it's a kind of barber shop here, man. Beautiful woman integration. Alright, there's a nice coffee shop here called the Balestier Market. Oh, look at the King Tiger Prawn Pao Fan. It looks so nice. So Bontong Ki famous chicken rice here. It's a big branch, eh? And look at the Bai Tan Ji right here, man. It's over here. Oh, they also sell the original herbal stuff right over there. And the Esso crab bihun. Very nice shop houses. The Yahe Bak Kut Teh, it looks nice. Oh man, the Kai Juan restaurant is very old. Look at it. Chan Huat Lighting House. If you are sleeping like a pig, right? Once one of these lamps are installed in your house, the light is on, you wake up immediately. Chanhua Electric, Private Limited, man. Oh, they install lots of ceiling fan. It's so bright, man. Hey, but the good news, they accept the CDC voucher. But I guess most Singaporeans have spent the CDC voucher by now. But that's still Bak Kut Teh. 369. They even deliver, scan QR code. Look at their menu. It's like the Bak Kut Teh is like $7, but they have other stuff as well. Very nice environment, man. TWMS Private Limited. Now it seems that there's another Balestier Bak Kut Teh with the same name. Shaw Plaza. I thought there's only one Shaw Plaza in Orchard, but it turns out there's another one here. And there's a building called Orange Valley. I'm not sure what it does, man. I found the Bak Kut Teh here since 1978. It's insane, man. Inside celebrities' photos. Hey, that looks very, very scary if his lights is off, right? But it's like two people trying to like welcome into the store. Chanhua lighting. They will show on level 2. This place has so many Bak Kut Teh here, I lost count. Mataman Road, I don't even know have this show. And Loy K chicken rice. I think he's been there for about 50 years. Now it's 325 Bak Kut Teh, man, 24 hours. And the Shopee Express kind of parcel here. And kind of pub here, Uba Bar Bistro, Thai Bistro. Lam Yo Coffee Powder Factory, Nanyang 咖啡粉制造厂. It looks very, very old. And there's one more, Sinlit Paint Trading. I'm not sure what they trade in. Oh, there's a very beautiful building over there at that side. Is it a temple? I don't think so, but a lot of shop houses over there. Let's take a look. Wow, it looks like Chinatown. And guess what? There's an instant rice dumpling shop. You know, the Douyin Ru Zhong. Normally we find in the malls, like small shop in the mall that sell the guys. I mean, but over there is a restaurant. You know, I'm excited to check it out, man. And there's a cooling wool. I saw this in Bugis also. I'm not sure what it does, man. Yeah, sorry, it's a co-living studio. So does it mean there's apartment kind of stuff? Wow, Value Hotel. Now we reach Eastern Rice Dumpling. Oh, they made the dumpling inside, but there's no seats for customer to like dine in. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe and like so that more people can find the video and share the video. I would like to see you guys in the next video. So take care everyone and bye bye. Chào mắt này.